Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your games to the latest DLSS 4. Yes, regular DLSS 4 is out and works on all RTX based cards. Let's start by downloading the new DLSS 4 files. Use the link in the description below for those files. For this video, we'll focus on the regular DLSS 4 DLL file that all RTX cards can use. The frame generation and multi-frame generation portions are still reserved for RTX 4000 and 5000 series cards, so you'll need one of those to utilize those particular features. The file name is nvn-gx_dlss.dll. Download that and extract the file. Now that you have a copy, let's look for a game to update. We'll navigate to our games folder and search for nvn-star.star. This will bring up a list of all the DLSS files for our games. Find nvn-gx_dlss.dll in the list and right-click on it. Choose Open File Location to get into the game folder. Next, locate your old DLSS file and rename the end of it to preserve the file. Now simply copy the new DLSS 4 file into the same folder, and just like that, the game is updated to the latest DLSS version. Now let's test a game out and see if it works. If the option is there, make sure you enable Transformer Model. That is the new model for the DLSS. This doesn't currently work on all games. Some games with anti-cheat will flag the update and refuse to work correctly. For those games, you'll just have to wait for the official update. To go back, simply delete the new file and revert that old DLSS file you renamed back to the original version you backed up. You can also update the other DLSS files like ray reconstruction and frame generation, but both the game and the card need to have that support already baked in for that all to work. Just simply replace the respective nvn-gx_dlssd.dll and the nvn-gx_dlssg.dll files and experiment. DLSS 4 is brand new, and you'll probably see most games update themselves with the newer version over the next coming weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave your questions and comments below. If you found this video helpful, tap that like button and consider subscribing for more updates. Thanks again, and I love you people.